Hey friends, in today's tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly reset your Samsung Gear S, and this model number is the SM-R750A. Again, it's that regular curved Samsung Gear S watch. Mine is in the factory reinstall I should say, mode right now. Yours would probably look a little bit different if you've set it up with a device, but we can do the reboot from here. This is really helpful if your watch is stuck on an app and again just needs a good fresh reboot. So what we're going to do is basically you have your home button down here. I'm going to depress that home button for roughly 10 seconds and you're going to see the power cycle on this. So I'm going to go ahead and touch that and hold it. Again, you'll see this little menu come up. Do not let your finger off of that button. Continue to hold it. And after, as you can see, about 8 to 10 seconds, it begins the reboot process. Again, this is how you bypass a stuck screen or a stuck app. The reboot takes roughly 30 seconds. You just kind of have to let it do its thing. It'll go blank here, and it'll reboot up in just another few seconds here. As you can see there, it goes. So again, just remember when that little power off screen comes up, don't bring your thumb off of it. Continue to depress the button there and let it go through its full cycle. That is how you reset Samsung Gear S watch. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to do a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial videos coming up soon. If you're looking for how to reset to factory defaults, I'll put a link to that video in the description box below. Thanks for watching, friends. Take care.